here I have come with the 3 new idioms which we can use in our daily life. Okay, for daily use of speaking English, we can use these 3 idioms. Okay, so what are idioms first? Very good. Idioms are group of words which gives us an unique meaning. Idioms it shows like it's going to give some meaning, but it won't give that exact meaning. It is going to give a different meaning only. Okay, different, unique, both are same meanings only. Okay, different nalum, unique nalum, one meaning. Okay, but idiom is going to give you a different meaning only. Okay, so whatever words are given, whatever words are used for making idiom, if that group of words come together, but it acts as a different meaning only. Okay, so let's read out all these 3 idioms first. Okay, they are the best of both worlds. First idiom, that is the best of both worlds. Second, see eye to eye. Third, once in a blue moon. I repeat again. First idiom, that is the best of both worlds. Second, see eye to eye. Third, once in a blue moon. So in this video you are going to learn about these 3 idioms only. So let's take the meaning of the idioms first. Okay, let's read out the meaning of the idioms first and then we'll learn with the example sentence. Okay, so why do we need to use idioms first? Let me ask you that question again. Why do we need to use idioms? We can use the same meaning. Okay, meaning is solita நம்ம idioms னு சொல்லிட்டு தனியா group of words use பண்ணனும். Idioms help us to make our or improve our communication well. Okay, when a person speaks or when a person uses idiom in his conversation, means it shows that he has improved his communication well in English. Okay, so let's read out the meaning of each idiom and then let's learn with the example. The first idiom, that is the best of both worlds. So when I read the idiom, that is the best of both worlds, it doesn't mean that okay rendu world kume best aanadhu. We are talking about the different world. Okay, are we talking about any 2 different worlds? No, we are not talking about any 2 worlds. We are going to talk about the situation only. So let's read out its meaning. That is, enjoy, when a person or someone enjoy doing 2 different opportunity at the same time. So when a person when a person enjoys, when he is handling 2 different things at the same time, and he also enjoying that, he is not getting upset or is not taking stress also. So he or she is just enjoying whatever they do. Okay, whether it is a single opportunity, single work or different work, but here we are talking about a person who handle 2 different situations at the same time. Okay, so I repeat the meaning again, that is enjoy 2 different opportunities at the same time. ஒரே டைம்ல ரெண்டு வேலை அவங்க பண்ணுவாங்க, ரெண்டுமே வேற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி பண்ற பர்சனை நம்ம இந்த இடியமை யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம சொல்லலாம். Let's learn with the example sentence, that is, by working part-time and attending classes every day, he managed to get the best of both worlds. I repeat again. You need to understand its meaning. See, by working part-time work பண்ணாலும் and attending classes every day, daily classes attend பண்றான், அவனால ரெண்டுமே நல்லாவே ஹேண்டில் பண்ண முடியுது. Actually he is doing work also and in the evening he is taking classes also. He is attending the classes also. Okay, ரெண்டுமே பண்ணாங்க, படிக்குறாங்க, அந்த டைம்ல வர்க்கும் பண்றாங்க. So doing both the 2 different things at the same time is very difficult to do. இல்லையா? இப்போ சரணா உங்களை போயிட்டு நீங்க மார்னிங் ஃபுல்லா போயிட்டு வேலை செஞ்சுட்டு வாங்க, ஈவினிங் நீங்க ஃபுல்லா கிளாஸ் உங்களுக்கு இருக்கு, 8 hours இருக்கு கிளாஸஸ், நைட்டு தான் நீங்க தூங்கணும் அப்படின்னா what would happen? You feel very tired and you feel stress also, right? You become upset also. What எனக்கு இதுவும் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க, அதுவும் பண்ண சொல்றீங்களே அப்படி. But this person, I'm talking about some person, that person is handling, is doing job also, part-time job also, and also he is attending classes. But both the thing is doing or he is showing his best only. So that is why I can say, without saying these sentences, this meaning I can use as a simple think like by using the idiom that is the best of both worlds. அவன் பார்ட் டைமும் பண்றான் and அவன் வந்து நல்லாவும் படிக்கிறான். he is managing to get the best of both worlds. அப்படினா ரெண்டு வேலையும் நல்லா அது ரெண்டுமே அவன் பெஸ்டா பண்ணனும்னு நினைக்கிறான். அப்படி நம்ம ஒருத்தவங்கள பத்தி சொல்றோம்னா that we can use this idiom. So clear students? So what does it mean? What does it mean? The best of both worlds. It means a person handling two different opportunities at the same time and he or she is enjoying that work also, doing it also. Okay, so let's go for the second meaning, that second idiom, that is see eye to eye. What is that? See eye to eye. See eye to eye kannu kannu paathukrada? No, it means different. So as I said, the idiom look like it is going to give the meaning but it won't. It give you the different meaning only. So see eye to eye அப்படினா நீங்க என்ன நினைப்பீங்க? கண்ணும் கண்ணும் பார்க்கிறது. But does it give that meaning? No, it don't give it doesn't going to give this meaning only. Okay, we are going to learn about its meaning, that is agreeing with someone. Okay, when I use this idiom, that is see eye to eye, நான் see eye to eyeங்கிற ஒரு idiom யூஸ் பண்றேன்னா நான் கண்ணும் கண்ணும் பார்க்கறேன் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி மீனிங் கொடுக்காது. It is going to tell us that agreeing with someone, நான் வந்து அவங்களுடைய பாயிண்ட வந்து agree பண்றேன். I take their point. Okay, that is why I am using that idiom, that is eye to eye. See eye to eye, it means agreeing with someone. Let's learn with the example. They finally saw eye to eye. They finally saw eye to eye on the business deal. Finally talking about, finally lots of conversation was happened and they are seeing eye to eye about the deal. Okay, it means that அவங்க வந்து இவ்ளோ நேரம் பேசினதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஃபைனலா அவங்க வந்து எல்லா இந்த business dealக்கு வந்து agree பண்றாங்க. Instead of using the word agree, we are using the idiom, that is seeing eye to eye. Okay, see eye to eye. So the see here, it's become in the past form. We are talking about in the past sentence, that is why it took its past form, that is saw eye to eye nama solron. So when a person is agreeing with someone, we can say using this idiom, that is see eye to eye. I can also give you one more example, that yes, my friends saw eye to eye after discussing about their plan. Okay, my friend is seeing their eye to eye after talking about their trip plan. Okay, என்னோட friends வந்து trip plan பத்தி பேசினாங்க. Finally அவங்க எல்லாரும் அந்த plan agree பண்றனால they are agreeing. That is why I use this idiom, that is see eye to eye. Clear? Okay, let's go for the third one, that is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon, this is a frequently used the idioms. இல்லையா, இந்த idioms வந்து நீங்க நிறைய தடவை நீங்க பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. Okay, it is very I can say that yes, you can use it as when you are talking about any event which is happening infrequently. Okay, ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து அது எப்பனாதான் நடக்கும் அப்படி நம்ம சொல்லும்போது அங்க நம்ம இந்த idiom யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், once in a blue moon. Okay, it means that any event that happens infrequently, எப்பயாவது தான் அது நடக்க போகுது அப்படினா நம்ம இந்த idiom யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம அந்த சென்டென்ஸை மேக் பண்ணலாம். Example, I go to my aunt's house once in a blue moon. நான் என்னுடைய ஆன்ட்டி வீட்டுக்கு எப்பனாதான் போவேங்கிறது நீங்க நார்மலா சொன்னீங்கன்னா there is no difference between you and others, right? But when you say this sentence with the help of idiom, it makes sense, right? It make more sense. See, I go to my aunt's house once in a blue moon. அப்படி once in a blue moon சொல்லாம I go to my aunt's house infrequently அப்படி நீங்க சொல்றீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு இதுக்கு நிறையவே டிஃபர் ஆகும். So use this idiom. So when you are talking about any event which will happen, it takes long time to happen na anga neenga use pannalam. Okay, so I go to my aunt's house once in a blue moon is the one example. I can give you one more example, like our family go to a vacation once in a moon. It means what? Once in a blue moon, it means what? என்னோட family வந்து vacation எப்பனாதான் போவாங்க. Okay, or I take a leave once in a blue moon. It மீன்ஸ் வாட், நான் வந்து எப்போனாவது தான் நான் வந்து லீவ் எடுப்பேன். இந்த மாதிரி எப்பயாவது ஒரு எப்பயாவது ஒரு ஈவெண்ட் நடக்க போகுது, எப்போனாவது அது நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் அதை மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா there you can use this idiom, that is once in a blue moon. So students, in this video you have learned about these 3 idioms that they are the best of both worlds. See eye to eye, once in a blue moon. So I hope you are clear with these idioms. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.